Hello, learners. Welcome back to our biology journey. Today's topic is one that affects each of us literally, the human body systems, a basic overview of how your body stays alive and active every second. Let's begin. Have you ever wondered how your body knows when to breathe, digest food, or react quickly when something surprises you? That's because your body is like a perfectly coordinated orchestra, with different systems working in harmony. Nervous system. The command center. Let's start with the nervous system, the body's command center. It controls everything you do, from thinking and walking to blinking and breathing. The brain, spinal cord, and nerves make up the system. They send and receive signals like electric messages, helping your body respond to the world. For example, if you touch something hot, your nerves send a message to your brain, and instantly your hand pulls back. That's the nervous system in action. Next is the circulatory system. Think of it as your body's delivery service. The heart, blood vessels, and blood work together to transport oxygen, nutrients, and even waste throughout your body. When you breathe in oxygen, the circulatory system carries it from your lungs to every cell. When your body makes waste like carbon dioxide, the blood carries it back to your lungs to breathe out. Now, the respiratory system. It brings in oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. Your nose, windpipe, lungs, and diaphragm all play a part. Each breath you take fuels your cells with oxygen and keeps your body going strong. Take a deep breath right now. That's your respiratory system working for you. Let's talk about the digestive system. This system turns food into energy. It starts in your mouth, then goes through your stomach and intestines. Important organs like the liver and pancreas help break food down and absorb nutrients. Next time you eat your favorite meal, thank your digestive system for turning it into fuel for your body. Now here's the exciting part. These systems don't work alone. They are deeply connected. The respiratory system supplies oxygen to the circulatory system. The digestive system gives it nutrients. And the nervous system controls it all. Imagine you're running. Your breathing increases, respiratory, your heart beats faster, circulatory, and your brain keeps your body balanced, nervous. It's a perfect team effort. All this teamwork maintains something called homeostasis, your body's ability to keep everything balanced, like temperature and energy, no matter what's happening outside. Think about it. What if just one body system stopped working? How would it affect the others? That's how dependent these systems are on one another. Think about it. What if just one body system stopped working? How would it affect the others? That's how dependent these systems are on one another. Let's recap. We learned about the nervous, circulatory, respiratory, and digestive systems. Each one is amazing on its own, but they're even more powerful when they work together. That's the miracle of your body. Thanks for joining this lesson.